Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online language lessons we offer. A couple of weeks ago, I was downstairs in the kitchen in my house at about 6:30 in the morning, feeling a little bit bleary-eyed. So I was making myself a cup of tea. I'd put the tea bags in, I'd poured some boiling water on top, I'd stirred the tea bags around a bit, and I added a drop of milk. I was just about to put the milk bottle back into the fridge when I took a little swig of milk. Unfortunately for me, at that exact moment, my daughter came downstairs and saw me drinking from the milk bottle. She decided that this constituted some kind of cardinal sin and ran upstairs to tell her brother and my wife. Since then, they've constantly referred to this minor faux pas that I committed, and my son has decided to nickname me the Milk Bottle Licker. Every time they mention it, I respond by saying, "God, I'm never going to hear the end of this, am I?" If you say that you're never going to hear the end of something, you mean that you're going to be constantly reminded of this unpleasant or stupid thing that you did. Usually in a kind of funny way by friends, but also in a nevertheless annoying way. For example, maybe if you work with a slightly annoying, slightly conceited colleague and they're going for a promotion, you might comment to your other friends that if this colleague gets the promotion, you're never going to hear the end of it. They'll be going on about it forever. Maybe you have children and sometimes you let them win at games. I once let my son win at a game of chess just to try and keep him motivated. And since then, I've never heard the end of it. He's constantly reminding me that he beat me once and he'll do it again. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps us with the algorithm. Please do let your friends, your colleagues, your students know about what we do here on the Lexical Lab YouTube channel. And in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use "never going to hear the end of it" or "never heard the end of it."